Today we're showing you a 2015 Kubota M5-111 tractor. It's an open operator station tractor. Tractor has 1,650 hours, has the Kubota LA 1854 quick attach front loader. The bucket here is a skid steer style quick attach. You have some paint coming out of the bucket. The tractor itself, while it is a pretty good looking tractor, it does have some flaws in it as far as cosmetic flaws. You've got some scuffs on the hood, some paint missing on the loader, some scrapes here on the cylinder. Front tires probably have about 25 or 30% tread life left. Back tires are probably around the same 30% range. See some paint again off of the fenders back here. Dual rear remotes, has the 540 PTO, telescopic 3-point arms, has the stabilizer bars. And again, certainly not a showroom piece, but it's still a very presentable tractor. See more scuffs here. It looks like they threw some items there beside the seat. Does have tilt steering wheel, left-hand power reverser, allows you to change direction without clutching. 8-speed transmission, got 4 gears here and then a high-low right here. Park gear back here, and then your loader control, remote levers, PTO 3-point all there to the right. Differential lock down below there. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping. We offer financing for low rate financing for qualified customers. We have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. Feel free to browse our current inventory at masstractor.com or contact us at 330-359-5405.